Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I show you how to create this famous snake game. Maybe you know it from older times. We are going to use the Canva AI Code for Me feature. The Canva AI features are only available on the Pro version of Canva, so it means you must pay for it. But it's worth to take a look at it, so let's go. First, open Canva on your browser and log in or create a new account if you don't have one right now. On the left side you can see a small Canva AI icon, which you can only use if you have the Pro version of Canva. After clicking on Canva AI, you can choose between Design for Me, Create an Image, Draft a Document and Code for Me. We are going to choose Code for Me. Here on the bottom you can see different things you can do with AI. To create the snake game, all we need to do is writing exactly what we want into the box right here. So I'm typing, please create the famous mobile game Snake. Now you need to wait up to a few minutes to let Canva AI finish the coding. On the right side you see the coding lines which are created now. On the left side you see what Canva AI understood from your instructions. On the bottom you see a text box where you can type different changes you want. So it means you have some kind of chatbot you can talk with, so you can change something on your coding and of course in the end on your game. After finishing the coding, you can see on the right side the game Snake, the overlay, and you can also interact, so you can play the game. On the left side you can see exactly what Canva AI did for you. As I told you before, you can do some changes. For example, I want the snake to go through the walls and appear in the opposite side of each wall. So I want to remove the wall, so I type what I want to change right into the text box right here. And after this, again, you need to wait until it's finished. Each time you're changing something on your game, you can see that Canva AI is talking to you and describes exactly what it's changing. Sometimes Canva AI is not understanding exactly and 100% what you want, and maybe the result is not exactly 100%. So try again or change something on your description and try to communicate and understand how it works, then you will get good results. Stay realistic, it's about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, so it's browser based. For the last change and adjustment to my snake game, I'm going to ask Canva AI to change the controls to my keyboard arrows. As you can see here, it's working pretty fine. I'm using the arrow keys now to play the snake game. For games like the snake game or any other memory games or yes, creating a list, some interaction things on HTML, CSS or JavaScript are working pretty fine. Thank you for watching and see you next time.